doesn't want to get you run it right there. Like underneath that. There you go. There you go. Perfect. Okay. Oh, wait. Okay.
Let move.
Look at that turd.
Yeah, that is molten iron that's cooled down.
Turd.
Hey, easy. Oh, and now you can see the inside. Now you can see the inside. All right, now, Miss Roach, I have the little test tube.
Oh, yeah. I don't want that.
All right, Scott, your job. You can set that up. All right.
You don't know that. You leave it out long enough.
This last
Let's just say that if the flame
Let's go back.
yeah, you probably should.
Everyone take mine.
My toes are cold.
All right, now y'all Miss Roach is passing around.
I'm gonna get you later.
We're
gonna fight Sunday.
I'm
see you
what
then.
this will look like.
Sunday. I'm gonna tell you going. I'm gonna tell you how it's going. I'm gonna tell you how it's going. I'm gonna tell you I'm gonna bring you.
Pass it around, pass it around. Looks almost like a geode right there.
As long as we're not in the shade again.
Yeah,
I just said as long as we're not in the shade again.
you couldn't tell me that. Now, what's coming around is the iron that's cooled down. We're going to make the molten iron right now. You're not going to be able to pick that up when we're done, but you can at least see it. Now, this is going to go fast, so here's what you want to do. We're going to add a teeny tiny bit of sulfuric acid to our powdered sugar. Okay? It's going to make enough energy to break the bonds between iron and oxygen and allow the big reaction to happen. Now, here's what's going to happen. Out of the top, you're going to see flames and sparks coming out the top. At that point, check out the bottom because you're going to see molten iron falling out the bottom. It's going to look like, you know, like it's on fire. It's going to be great. Now, y'all are a little close. I want to scoot back. All right.
I can't see.
If the smoke comes to you, get out of the way. Okay, if the smoke comes to you, you'll know what I mean. Step out of the way. Everybody ready? All right.
Whoa, hold on.
Are we ready?
Go for it.
Is that necessary?
This is for an educational purpose, so it's okay. Okay, here we go.
That was fine.
Do it again! Holy shit. I can't fucking see. I know.
Everybody took a step back.
Man, that stinks. I can't see people.
Dennis, it smells like fire.
Spit on it. Spit on it.
Cool. That's awesome.
Finger in there. Drop a little gun,
Dude, wow. That was awesome. It's like pinkish still. That was cool.
Everybody feel that? Everybody see the iron on the inside? Everybody got that iron on the inside? Don't touch it.
Dude, totally burned. Sarah, do you see that crack? See that crack inside?
Kind of collected back together. It really was so hot it broke the bottle.
Dude.
You guys can check out the pot. With so much energy through the expansion, crack the pot.
Totally cracked pot.
My bad.
Are you kidding me? This is like the best experiment you've ever seen. Of course this is it.
We should have done with more stuff.
Can we do it again?
It just goes fast. Yeah, well, we like it fast though. Trust us when we say it used to not be fast.
Okay.
All right, y'all.
All right. Back to the Rush Motel. Let's go.